So now I will hand over for our last presenter, Mina Foosherian, who will showcase the demonstration of the COALA Digital Intelligent Assistant. Thank you, Mina. The floor is yours.
Hello, everyone. Thank you, Julia. In this presentation, I am going to demonstrate the main functionalities of the COALA Augmented Manufacturing Analytics Assistant. As Enrique is designed to assist operators in conducting quality control tests and recording defects. Furthermore, it enables lab supervisors to access a variety of analytical views. This is done through natural conversations, and it empowers supervisors to make informed decisions and take preemptive actions. Today, I am going to show you several recordings to demonstrate some key functions of the AMA Assistant. This includes a COALA app overview, quality control, checklist execution, product avatar, accessing analytical views, and explanations. Yeah, regarding COALA app, we have made several updates to enhance the user experience since the last webinar. On the left side, you can see the previous version of the app, and on the right side, the latest app version. I want to briefly mention that similar to the past, the login process is via a web browser, and we use KeyCloak for user identification management. And after a successful login, users can interact with COALA via their microphone or keyboard input. Yeah, during our evaluations, we observed that users tend to use the walkie-talkie mode more frequently, I guess because it gave them more power to the listening mode. So we have set this mode as the default in the latest app version. However, by long pressing the mode icon, users can switch between conversation modes and activate another one. We have also added a session history feature, which allows users to explore their previous conversations with the assistant on a particular device. Another new feature resulting from an expansion in the number of scenarios supported by COALA is the ability to access a list of capabilities. Users can easily explore COALA's capabilities, asking, what can you do? And COALA will then present a list of suggested functions, and this allows users to choose their preferred option and proceed. What can you do?
I am an assistant for augmented quality analytics. That means I help you analyze quality data, make predictions, and access facts about products. I can assist you with various tasks. You can select one of the following requests to get started.
Yeah, regarding product quality control, COALA guides operators based on their experience level to the corresponding step in the checklist that requires their attention. And at each step, users can basically request additional information and go to product avatar. They can proceed to the next step, or they can record any detected defects. In the latest version, we have enhanced the dialog flows. We enriched the checklist step information with more comprehensive details for the users. And we have an updated version of Product Avatar that covers a wider range of products and documents.
Start the quality testing checklist.
Start the quality testing checklist. Please use your app to scan the item's barcode. Welcome to the quality control process. The first checklist step is related to the component label. The objective is to check for readable barcodes. Verify in 20 seconds. How should I check the steps objective? For the objective, check for readable barcodes. You need to use the scanner to check readability. I want the product avatar. Here is the link to the product avatar.
The objective is fulfilled.
The objective is fulfilled. Check for readable barcodes. Completed. The next step is related to the component label. The objective is to check for correct barcodes. Verify in 20 seconds. I want to record a new defect. You can report one of the following defect characteristics for this step. Wrong food class guide. Valid defect severity values for the given component and defect description are listed below. Please choose an option. I registered the following defect in the defect collection system. Defect ID 2642, component, label, has defect, wrong food class guide, with severity, high. Do you want to continue with the quality testing checklist?
Yeah, one of the analytical views that lab supervisors can access via COALA is descriptive analytics. Lab supervisors can request specific views on data such as defect Pareto, most frequent defect, or most critical defect, and they can also provide a time frame. In addition, they can perform root cause analysis to identify any underlying issues in the production line. In the latest version, we have replaced IDs with detailed descriptions, and we also introduced tables to present lists in a more user-friendly and readable format.
What are the top 5 defects since February 2023?
Is your inquiry general or related to a particular product? Please use your app to scan the item's barcode. Here are the top 5 defects for this product from February 1, 2023 till July 26, 2023. Do you want to see a detailed view of the results?
What is the most critical defect since March 2023?
The most critical defect I have identified for this product is related to the component control panel with a description of scratched and a severity level of high. The defect ID is 1285 and its priority index is 100.0. For more details, click on the link below.
Which other products have this defect?
Do you want to continue with the defect control panel scratched with severity high, or do you have another defect in mind? I found 213 products affected by the defect control panel scratched with severity high from January 1, 2018 till July 26, 2023. Here are the 10 products that are affected by this defect most.
How many defects have been recorded for this product?
The defect count for this product from January 1, 2018 till July 26, 2023 is 8,938.
How many defects have been recorded for this product since March 2023?
The number of recorded defects is 998.
Yeah. Another analytical view for the lab supervisor is predictive analytics, which was mentioned by Enrico previously. COALA uses historical production data basically to make predictions about two things: the most probable group of defects and the number of orders that will show defects in the future. COALA also promotes transparency by suggesting users to ask about the reasoning behind a given prediction. In the latest version, we have enhanced user accessibility to predictions by minimizing the necessary parameters in their prompts. In addition to that, we tried to improve the quality of presented explanation, but I think this still requires our attention.
Which predictions do you support?
Currently, I support the following predictions. I predict that the most probable defect group is Porta FR with ID 3000. There is something interesting about the combination of the following factors.
Predict the number of orders that will show defects.
12 orders are predicted to have a defect tomorrow.
Yeah. Another new feature is related to the quality control checklist recommendations. This is a new feature, and while COALA conducts daily checks to identify defects with high priority index, this is with the help of the prevention component, and then upon detection, it highlights the checklist steps that are related to these defects with high priority index as recommended steps for the operators. On the other hand, lab supervisors can review these recommendations and make informed decisions by either accepting, rejecting, or setting an expiration date accordingly.
I want to review checklist recommendations.
Please scan the item's barcode with your app. On the 26th of July 2023, the following steps were added to this product's checklist as recommended. As the lab supervisor, your input is required to either approve or deny the recommended steps of the quality control checklist. Do you approve them? Okay. Would you like to change or set the expiration date for the steps that are marked as recommended? What is the expiry time you have in mind? You can say the end of the week.
1st of August 2023.
Thank you for setting the expiration date for the recommended steps. I have updated the expiration date as the 1st of August 2023.
Yeah. Finally, I would like to mention that the COALA Home Assistant is available in both English and Italian version. We tested COALA at Whirlpool with operators and supervisors in the Italian version, and we have dedicated multiple iterations to enhance the quality of translations. With support from native domain experts at Whirlpool. And I would like to thank Enrica and her team for that and for their support. Thanks a lot for your attention. And now I will hand over the presentation to Julia.